We're a value brand. What that means is we supply high-quality products at an affordable price.
Well, I think it goes back to our mission statement and also one of our founding principles. There's a lot of different factors that contribute to what's going to make our product affordable in the end, and there's a lot of people involved.
When we created our, let's say, our gluten-free allergen-friendly line, we wanted it to not only be accessible for the person that has the allergen, but for everyone in the family.
We've been in business for over 45 years, so we have great relationships with our raw material vendors, which allows us to purchase product at an affordable price to then pass along the savings to our consumers.
We're looking at price point from the very beginning before we even start formulating the product.
Just about every facet we could imagine, whether it's buying used equipment to use in our pilot plant, sourcing different ingredients from multiple vendors. If you manufacture larger lots, it costs less to manufacture because you're able to spread it over a larger run.
We will buy things in bulk as far as our bottles, our labels, packaging, how much we spend on marketing, if we're doing samples or giveaways. All of those things have to go back into the final price of the product.
We want to make sure when we manufacturing our products, they're right the first time. So we don't have to go back and rework or have any waste.
Well, one of the main things that we try to do is keep employees safe. If you want to drive costs in any kind of business up, you start doing risky things and getting people hurt.
So we make sure that we're fully aware of what we're doing and how we're doing it to make sure that in the end, when it hits the shelf, it comes to market at an affordable price for our customers and for their consumers.
Coming in here, I learned right away we're going to scrutinize the raw material. We'll screen the ingredient all the way through to make sure that there's absolutely nothing in there that would go against our definition of natural.
We try to be clear about what we believe to be natural. On our website, we define the processes and ingredients that we believe to be natural, along with those that we believe not to be natural.
Every delivery is put through a rigorous process. We see ourselves as the first line of defense. We check code dates, we check product quality, we check bags, pallets. Our quality process starts from even procurement.
In this lab, we do identity tests to make sure that there's no counterfeit or anything that comes in the door. Each product has like a fingerprint, and we check the fingerprint of the product to make sure it matches what it's supposed to match. And then we check for adulterants, so there's something's in there that's not supposed to be in there, that can hurt somebody or harm somebody.
Doesn't matter what shift it was produced in, it's done the same way. It's very consistent, so it's a system, that's what we follow.
We're 100% committed to have all of our products be non-GMO. We're working very hard to have the genetically modified ingredients removed from all of our products, and we're committed to that goal as we move to the future.
What natural means for our sports nutrition brand is we don't use any artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. And we also adulterant test our raw material that comes in. We feel we're a completely natural, tested brand and safe for athletes worldwide.
For personal care, kind of appeal to the demographic that's going to be into more natural, not only what they put in their bodies, but what they put on it as well. So we try to formulate products to be as natural as possible and also avoiding synthetic preservatives and things like fluoride and parabens.
When you look at Now Foods, a lot of people think of supplements, but we're not just supplements.
Our mission is to provide value in products and services that empower people to live healthier lives. And we have a wide array of products that can help people achieve their comprehensive wellness goals.
Comprehensive wellness has always been about really getting your core nutrients out of your whole foods, proper supplementation, and then doing the right exercising, getting your sleep, and living a healthy lifestyle.
We are becoming a one-stop shop. We have everything from supplements to food, sports nutrition, personal care. So we offer a very wide array of products, and we're continuing to grow by putting brand managers in specific categories as well.
You're fulfilled with not only the foods you eat, which we can provide, but also the supplements, personal care line, sports nutrition, and it goes on and on.
The employees at Now Foods really care about what we're doing and the product we're manufacturing. I know how hard everyone works to put out the best possible product.
And the people here are great. They're very conscious of what they do. I talk a lot about quality. It doesn't just start in the lab, it starts with the people.
I believe we've got the best team in the industry, and their range of skill and knowledge will work to assure consumers that they will get the best value, the best quality from the Now brand each and every day.
I always think of Now Foods as like a think tank because we've got so many different disciplines. When you take all of these really interesting backgrounds, I personally think it's a formula for success.
I'm always excited. I believe that I can make a really good contribution to this company. So I come in here enthusiastic every day. They ask me, where do I get the energy? I'm really invested in this brand that can change people's lives.